Today we're going to speak about how to write an effective budget. We will explain the fundamentals of writing a monthly budget report, getting right into the details for you so you know how to manage your money much better. Also, stick around in the end of the video to get your own interactive digital budgeting
Hello,
spreadsheet.
and welcome to Sanctuary Educate podcast, where we will talk all things mindset, money management, and our entrepreneurial journey. Along the way, we're going to throw in some amazing guests for your pleasure. I'm Shane Hyland.
And I'm Gareth Shears. This show is going to change your life and teach you skills that school never taught you.
Boom.
Now, when writing a budget, you can use Excel or other similar software to update your spending totals automatically. Or we can go back to basics and use a good old paper and pen, because some people like that. But when starting your budget report, you need to start with your income. Any and all forms of revenue you get needs to be written up and totaled together, whether that's your income and your side hustle, your self-employed income, it all needs to go on there. So once this has been completed, you need to track your spending. So look through your bank activity and write down each and every single expense from subscriptions to weekly food shop. This way, we can come back and eliminate any unnecessary money waste. This is a great way of finding those silly purchases or any unusual spending habits you may have developed. You'll usually also find some subscriptions you forgot you actually had. Next, total up all your expenses and deduct them from your monthly income. This gives you your total excess. If this is negative, don't worry. Take a look at your expenses and deduct anything you can live without. Now you have your totals worked out. Look to save a percentage of this each month, but also have an idea of what you're saving for. Now, this could be a rainy day fund, which I'd always suggest to start with, to save those unexpected expenses, such as car breakdowns or phone repairs. Or you could be saving for that holiday you would like to go on. But always make a goal for saving so you can see the progress of your successes. Finally, make this a monthly habit. Check your budget on a regular basis. Usually, this should be as often as you get paid. Adjust if needed, and also make sure you do check your bank statements along with it to see if anything has slipped back in there. Remember, this is a single step to your path to financial freedom. So don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our Dealing with Debt video to find out how to tackle debt problems effectively. And if you check out the description below, you'll have a link to our free interactive budgeting spreadsheet, which will really help you through this whole process. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode, then please subscribe and remember to follow us on social media for more content like this.